Today we're going to make applesauce cinnamon ornaments. Ornaments that smell so good on your tree or around your house. So if you like the smell of cinnamon, make sure to ask your adult to join you and you can have fun together making cinnamon ornaments. For this project, you'll need a bowl and a spoon to do your mixing of your dough, applesauce, cinnamon, liquid white glue, different cookie cutters of your choice, some ribbon or string, whatever you have. You'll need your measuring cups, a straw to make a hole in the top of your ornament before it dries, and scissors to cut your ribbon with. So let's begin. First, you'll need a half a cup of cinnamon. So we're going to slowly pour our cinnamon and measure about a half a cup. It smells so good. Next, we'll need applesauce, and we're going to use a 1/4 cup of applesauce. I like the smell of applesauce too. Pour it in. 1 teaspoon of glue. Begin your mixing process. And it takes a while for everything to mix together. If it's too dry, you can add a little more glue. If it's too wet, add a little more cinnamon. You're making a dough. Does it smell good? This is what it looks like when it's coming together. Once it looks like it's about ready for a dough, you have to get messy. Take your hands and start kneading the dough in your bowl so it'll come all together. Sort of like when your mom kneads the dough to make biscuits or bread or cookies when you're cooking cookies. It seems a little dry, so I'm going to add a little bit more applesauce. Okay, looks like our dough is forming, sort of like your cookie dough. It's forming pretty well, kneaded together. It's a fun project to get yourself messy. So make sure you're wearing an old shirt and put some kind of wax paper or freezer paper on your table. I have this plastic cookie sheet that I can roll out my dough on. So you'll need a rolling pin, or you can use something cylindrical in shape and roll your dough. I'm going to use the rolling pin. And roll out your dough so it's about 1/8 of an inch thick. Your dough is nice and flat now, and we're ready for our cookie cutters. So I have a candy cane shape. So place your cookie cutter on the dough. Press real hard and make your shape. Next I have a Christmas tree. Once you're finished making those shapes, pull your dough apart, away from your shape, and that's extra dough for you to make more ornaments. You'll just roll it out again. So here's our candy cane ornament, and here's our Christmas tree ornament. Take your dough, make it into a ball again, and roll it out for more ornaments. Once you have all your ornaments made, with this recipe you should make about 6 ornaments. If you'd like to make a lot more ornaments, just double your recipe. You'll need your straw next to make a hole at the very top of your ornament while it's still wet. So you'll have your little hole in. You'll place your ornaments on the wax paper that you have, or if you have a cookie dryer, you can use that also. And you will let your ornaments dry for about 2 to 3 days. Check on them each day and turn them over so each side can dry. And you'll see the drying process as you check on them each day. Once your ornaments are dry, you can take your ornaments and add a ribbon or string, and you can hang these ornaments. Remember, they're for decoration only. They smell so good. You can hang them around on your tree or in your kitchen, wherever you'd like the wonderful smell of cinnamon. If you'd like to decorate them, you can use glitter from your art supplies at home, or googly eyes. I also have a star shape that I decorated. And if you have leftover dough, you can roll your dough into little balls and add beads and just make it a different type of ornament to hang on your tree that'll smell really good. I had lots of fun making apple cinnamon ornaments with you. I hope you and your adult have lots of fun too. Merry Christmas!